some difference between AI, ML, and data sciences, which you can throw some light on, and it will help them understand what are these fields and how are they different?
Sure, absolutely. So that's a $1 million question, and so see, when you talk about data science, or the way we have been talking about it for past 7, 8, 9 years primarily. I won't go beyond that. It has just basically encompassed everything. But now there is clear distinction, what you're trying to do. So in data science, you're trying to basically do two things. You are trying to figure out what's the best use of the data that you have as an organization and get some insights from it, which will drive your business decisions. That's number one. The number two piece is, if you're a product company or you are a technology company that serve a certain segment of users or multiple segments of users, you want to understand their behavior and you want to understand how your products are being used. So a lot of the data science is geared towards improving your products by understanding the data that comes from your users, from your ecosystem, from your platforms. This is where primarily the data science has now focused. Now everyone clubs all the other activities too, but essentially machine learning is an application of the data and the algorithms to do some forecasting, do some predictive analytics, or have your machine do certain tasks or automate certain tasks that otherwise humans would do, right? For example, natural language processing or natural language understanding, right? And machine learning is foundation for AI, right? In AI, we are talking about a lot of other things. We're talking about perception, sensing, reasoning, logical deduction. That's a much higher layer, and obviously we're not there. And that's how you should think about it: data science, machine learning, and then AI. And there are specific courses that you could take in each of these segments depending on what your focus is. For example, if you want to focus on data science, you will have statistics courses. You have applied statistics and probability. That's very important there. I didn't know about that 10 years ago. And for machine learning, you're going to learn more machine learning specific courses, programming and algorithms. For AI, then you would have these plus some very specific courses in AI. We call it AI package, which adds more advanced CS courses plus the algorithm courses, which are around deep learning and some specific applications of deep learning. And lastly, what I would say is the projects. Going back to the projects part, right? Start small. Okay, don't try to boil the ocean. Start small, pick up a small project and get access to some data.